Hi everyone, what kind of toast do you make for your breakfast? Here I want to share with you 10 easy breakfast toast ideas. Please see the description for details of ingredient. Number 1. Spam egg toast. First, bake thinly sliced spam until the surface turns brown. Because spam is so high in calories, I made it super thin. Next, make a sheet of soft omelette. Bake to fit the shape of the bread. Prepare a toasted slice of bread and put omelette first. Then put spam. Put ketchup as you like. The saltiness of spam and fluffy egg matches so well with ketchup. Number 2. Sweet potato toast. First, dice sweet potato. Microwave at 500 watt for about 3 minutes until soft. Wipe off when water comes out. Roughly mash the potato. Put it on bread. Put honey and mayonnaise. Bake until edges begin to brown. Sprinkle black sesame seeds as you like. If you skip mayonnaise and add butter when you mash the potato, it can be great dessert. Number 3. Tuna broccoli toast. First, cut broccoli into small pieces. Microwave at 500 watt for 40 seconds. After broccoli is cooked, add tuna and corn. This canned tuna already contains corn, but using only tuna is fine, of course. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Add mayonnaise. Start to combine. Put the salad on the toasted slice of bread. Put cherry tomatoes as you like. This is super delicious salad toast. Broccoli and tuna are the best match. Number 4. Spicy tofu toast. First, stir-fry ground pork with ginger and grated garlic. Add sake, doubanjian, sugar, soy sauce, and miso. Start to combine. Stir in diced tofu. After toast soak the taste, turn off the heat. Put the tofu meat on a slice of bread. Sprinkle shredded cheese on the bread. Bake until cheese melts. Sprinkle minced green onion as you like. You can start a healthy day by taking various protein from this toast. Number 5. Teriyaki chicken egg toast. First, cut chicken into small pieces. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Thinly coat them in potato starch. Next, let's make teriyaki sauce. Sugar, sake, mirin, and soy sauce. Start to combine. Bake the chicken in the pan. Pour a little oil as needed. When it's cooked, add the teriyaki sauce. Please prepare sliced boiled egg. Put teriyaki chicken on the toasted slice of bread. Put sliced boiled egg. Sprinkle minced green onion. And shredded nori seaweed as you like. Who doesn't like teriyaki? Actually, bread goes so well with teriyaki too. Number 6. Okonomiyaki-style toast. First, spread mayonnaise on bread. Put shredded cabbage. Make a hole for the egg in the middle. Crack egg into the hole. Make 5 to 6 holes in the yolk to avoid an explosion. Microwave the bread at 500 watt for 2 minutes to cook the eggs to some extent. Bake in oven for 2 to 3 minutes. Put okonomi sauce, dried bonito shavings, and aonori. It tastes like totally okonomiyaki. Please try this easiest okonomiyaki recipe. Number 7. Bacon edamame toast. First, defrost frozen edamame. Spread mayonnaise on bread. Put thinly sliced bacon and shredded cheese on the bread. Bake until cheese melts. Put edamame beans as much as you want. Edamame and bacon are one of my favorite combinations when making rice balls, and this is also great for toast actually. Number 8. Meat sauce toast. In Japan, meat sauce is a very popular sauce for spaghetti, but here I try to use it for toast. First, mince onion. Stir-fry onion and ground beef. Actually, I had leftover ground pork, so I use it, but using beef is better, I think. Add grated garlic, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, soy sauce, sugar, and broth powder. You can use any type of broth powder, by the way. Start to combine and boil down for a while. Spread the meat sauce on bread and put sliced cheese. Bake until cheese melts. Sprinkle parsley as you like. As I expected, the meat sauce goes so well with toast too. Number 9. Corn mayonnaise toast. Mix corn with mayonnaise. Spread the corn on bread. Bake until edges begin to brown. Sprinkle parsley as you like. I guess this is the most easiest out of the 10. Do you know there is sushi menu, sushi rice with corn mayonnaise? This combination is very common in Japan, so why don't you try it for toast? Number 10. Natto Egg Toast. First, spread mayonnaise on bread. Add natto sauce in the pack. Japanese mustard too. Stir natto well. Spread it on bread. Bake until edges begin to brown. Make sunny side up. And put it on natto toast. Sprinkle minced green onion as you like. Natto becomes less sticky when heated, so maybe it's easy to eat even for people who don't like natto very much. Also, mayonnaise and egg makes natto even more delicious. Did you enjoy 10 toast recipes? I hope you will try those recipes for your breakfast or even for evening snacks. Thank you for watching.